Impulse projects towards true collaborative robotics. Typical robot systems are complex to program. We have developed a new way to interact with collaborative robots more intuitively. A user can now teach tasks to robots using the same language and gestures that we use to teach a colleague. Where can this technology be used? For example, in packaging components. This task is currently performed manually. Different sensor components, such as nuts, washers, and the sensor itself, are placed in a bag through a hole. A button is then pressed to seal the bag. This task is dull and error-prone, each error leading to extra costs for the company. Our goal is to make robot programming so simple that this person is able to do it. In order to simplify the interaction, the environment needs to be modeled, translated into natural human language, and communicated to the user. A vision system was developed to recognize and localize the different components to be packed. The modeled environment is displayed on a workspace using a beamer, as well as instructions for the user. Information can be shared between the user and the robot through an intuitive user interface. The user can program the robot through 3 different modalities: gesture recognition, a user interface on a tablet, or speech recognition. The 3 programming modalities are illustrated through 3 different tasks. First, pack 1 nut and 1 washer with gesture recognition. Second, pack 1 nut and 2 washers with the tablet. Third, pack 1 nut, 1 washer and 1 sensor with speech recognition. The pieces may be directly dropped in the hole, or a quality control may be performed beforehand. The robot is programmed to package 1 nut and 1 washer through gesture recognition. The user's behavior is recognized by the system and translated into robot commands. The instruction learned are shown on the workspace using the beamer, and also shown on the tablet, where they can be edited or stored for later use. The program is sent to the robot for execution. It is also possible to program the robot directly with the tablet. The robot shall package 1 nut and 2 washers. The user can select how many times the program shall be repeated, or if it shall be repeated until there are no pieces left. The robot is now programmed to package 1 nut, 1 washer and 1 sensor with speech recognition. The voice commands are recognized by the system and translated into robotic commands. Again, the recognized commands are shown on the tablet and can be edited, stored and sent for execution to the robot. The system was shown during the exhibition Biel Bien 4.0 at the new Museum Biel in 2020 and 2021. Visitors were able to program the robot with the tablet without supervision, demonstrating the easiness of use of the proposed system. The architecture developed is very intuitive. People with no experience in robotics can teach the robot a task. The architecture is generic and can be used in different tasks and with different robots. Take a look at all our videos to see how the same architecture is used to sort components, to empty a dishwasher, and to bring drinks to people.